Hey y'all, it's me, Serena. Welcome back to my channel. I do fashion, lifestyle, and health and beauty videos multiple times a week here on my channel. So if that sounds interesting to you, be sure to click that red subscribe button down below and click the bell to be notified whenever I have new content for you guys. So today I am excited because I've got a new Stitch Fix. And if y'all have been watching me for any amount of time, you know that I have been really struggling with Stitch Fix. I haven't kept anything out of the last several boxes I've received, and I gave them some very specific and pointed feedback this last time, and I asked for a new stylist. So I got a new stylist this time. I believe her name is Caroline, and I got my fix kind of quickly. It came quicker than it usually does. And I'm really hopeful because I like the items that I got. I've tried on a couple, not all. And I have a good feeling about this. So just to tell you a little bit about Stitch Fix, if you're not familiar, Stitch Fix has been around for a while. It's one of the original subscription box programs. They have a $20 styling fee. They send you 5 items of clothing and you get 3 days to try it on, make your decisions, send back what you don't want and keep the rest. Now that styling fee does get applied toward anything that you do keep. And if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. And that's the only way you get a discount with Stitch Fix is if you keep all 5. And also, you can participate in the annual style pass. That's what I have. And the annual style pass is $49. And when you do that, you don't pay a monthly styling fee. So that way you're not out a styling fee if you receive a box and there's nothing in it that you want to keep. So that has paid off well for me this year for sure. So here's what I have to try on today. I've got a pair of bootcut jeans, which I specifically requested. I said I'm set on skinnies, you know, maybe a pair of bootcut, because right now I only have one pair of bootcut jeans and they're kind of a lighter wash, and honestly, I just don't wear them that much. And so I got a pair of bootcut jeans. These are by Silver Jeans Company, which I have never had a pair of silver jeans. But I like the fading on them. They're just fading here on the thighs. No holes or anything. There's some mild distressing here and there, but nothing too crazy. And these are a mid-rise. So I'm excited about that because mid-rise tends to do well on me. They also sent me a pair of skinny pants. This is called the Jacqueline, what is it? The Jacqueline skinny pant. These are by Liverpool, and this is in a size 6 petite. And I do appreciate her sending me petite sizes. Oh, and the jeans are also a petite. So that is a game changer for me, especially dealing with bootcut jeans, because regular bootcut jeans are always too long. So these pants are just, they're made out of a very thick, stretchy material. They have jean-like style, but it's kind of like a jegging. They have a functioning zipper and button, but these pockets here are fake. But they do have real pockets on the back. So they're kind of like a jegging or a legging with a zipper, basically. And I have this t-shirt by Market and Spruce. I love a good v-neck tee. This one is so silky soft. It's made out of rayon and spandex, and I don't know if you can tell, but it just has a really nice drape to it. So it has a little pocket here, and it's just in a dark blue and black kind of tie-dye almost pattern. Then I have this little leopard print top. You guys know I love my leopard. This is by Pink Clover, and it is in a size small petite. And it's got these little elbow patches on the back here. Not sure how I feel about those. I mean, I'm not for or against elbow patches, but unless they end up hitting me on a weird spot. But this is a petite, so hopefully it will hit me in a good spot. And I love my leopard, and this is just, it's not a sweater, but it's a little bit thicker than a t-shirt. It's polyester and spandex, but it just feels like a nice brushed fuzzy fabric. And on the back, it's got this button detail that goes all the way down. And these don't really open or do anything. They're just like faux buttons. And the last item is this navy colored cardigan. And it's kind of you see how open it is? So it's not super thick. So this is a little sweater that I could wear, you know, most of the year. You could definitely wear this in the spring or even in the summer if you're inside and it's air conditioning and you need a little layer to throw on. So, and I don't have a navy cardigan, so that's a nice item too. So that's my fix. Stick around and I'll try this stuff on for you. Be right back. Okay, first outfit. I have to say, y'all, these jeans, I'm really surprised at how much I like them. I always thought that these jeans were geared more toward teenagers, but this particular style and fit is fitting me perfectly. I'll have to watch the footage back though and see what I think, and I want some input from you guys. But first of all, they are a petite. They're a size 6 petite, and they fit, but they're not too tight. And they've got a little bit of stretch in them, but they're not, you know, like super duper stretchy, but they do have some stretch. I think if I washed them and threw them in the dryer, you know, they would stretch, you know, shrink a little bit. I'm wearing them with just these little low-heeled booties from Walmart. They just have about a 1-inch heel on them, and the length is perfect. I could wear these with flip-flops or flats, and the length would be perfect. The rise on them, ignore my white belly, but it's a mid-rise, so it comes right underneath my belly button, which is the sweet spot for me. And here's the fit. The fit in the back. What do you think? I think I like them, and they're long enough I could wear a boot with a little bit more of a heel, but I could be fine with flats or a flatter boot, just like the ones I have on. And then the top, so this is the size, well, let me go over a price. These jeans by Silver, these are the Elise Slim Bootcut Jean in Indigo. Price is $89. So they're along the same lines as a cut from the cloth or something like that. This top fits nicely. Not too long on me. I did a little front tuck. It's got the black cuffs, the button detail there in the back, the little elbow patches. So my actual elbow is right there. So I guess they're a little bit up high on my sleeve, but not too bad. I mean, I've seen some where they're like way up here. But I don't know, let me know what you think about it. I like it. And I think this would look great with my black faux leather moto jacket over it. That would be a good wintertime, fall, winter outfit. Casual, what do you think? And let's see the price on this top. This is the Abbey button back knit top by Pink Clover, and the price on it is $44. So for Stitch Fix, that's not a bad price for a top. So yeah, not too bad. What do you think? All right, let me get changed into the next look. Okay, next outfit. This is the Rayon Tee by Market and Spruce. Let's see, this is the Hannah V-neck pocket tee in navy. It's $28. That's about as cheap as you ever find anything from Stitch Fix. I love the way it feels. I wish you all could feel it. It is so super soft and just has a nice drape to it. And I'm wearing it with these Liverpool pants. They're called the Jacqueline Skinny Pant. And they are basically like a jegging. They're kind of made out of a Ponte knit fabric, only smoother, I guess, than a Ponte knit. But they remind me of some pants I had a few years ago that I absolutely loved and wore out. And they're thicker than just a legging. So they're more like a jegging. They do have the zipper and everything, but they would be perfect to wear with, you know, long sweaters or any kind of long tunic in fall and winter when I didn't want to wear just a pull-on legging. If I wanted something a little bit more pant-like, they do have pockets in the back. And I just put this on with my little black mules that are from Walmart. I'll be sure to link those down below, my shoes that I'm wearing, in case you're interested in those. But yeah, I just love this tee, and I could dress this up or down. I'm gonna try it on with a cardigan in a minute, but this would look good with jeans, but it would also look good with like some joggers. I've got a couple of pairs of black joggers, throw it on with those and a jacket and sneakers, very casual. Or, you know, you could wear it with these pants. This is the navy cardigan. Put this on and it becomes something, you know, very work appropriate, depending on your work and your dress code at work. But doing what I do, I can most definitely wear something like this. And this sweater is a very silky feel. I guess it's kind of like a pointelle knit, but it's not a petite, it's just a size small, but the arm length on me is perfect. So let's see. And this sweater is by Pink Clover, no, Love Ellie, the Adele 2-pocket pointelle cardigan, and it is $48, and that's not a bad price at all. What do you guys think about this outfit? It has a couple of pockets here, and it's not a waterfall cardigan or anything. It's just straight down, which I really like. And like I said, this is a lightweight sweater that I could wear, you know, well into spring, or just, you know, year round, really. If I just needed a little something to knock off the chill inside a building. I don't know, she did a really good job on this Stitch Fix, y'all. I think Stitch Fix has redeemed themselves with this selection. So let's go over the numbers. Everything has been pretty moderately priced. The most expensive thing are the jeans at $89, and then the next most expensive thing are these Jacqueline pants by Liverpool, and they're $78. I tell you what, I'm loving Liverpool. Every pair of pants and that denim skirt that I have are all by Liverpool, and they're just really, you know, they do a good job of fitting me anyway, so I'm becoming a big Liverpool fan. But let's see, total, if I kept all 5, my total with my discount would be $215. That's not bad for 5 pieces of clothing. And unless I watch this footage back and see something that I just don't like the look of, I don't know. I guess the lowest on my list right now is probably the leopard print top. But it's $44, and the way the math works out, I come out better if I keep it to get the 25% discount rather than keeping 4 items and sending this back. So I don't know, I need your help. Let me know what you think. I think this is a really good fix. And I think that they did a really good job. Caroline, that's her name, my new stylist. This is fix number 18, and Caroline was my stylist. So Caroline, way to go. You did a good job. You did a great job picking things that I would actually wear. These pants are so comfy. I mean, I know I'm keeping these. These are just great. I wear these a ton this winter with boots, without, you know, with flats, whatever. These are a great closet staple to have. So yeah, that's my fix. There you go. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I do have a link down below where you can get $25 off your first Stitch Fix. If you use my link and sign up using it, you'll get $25 off, and I'll get a little credit too. So we both get something. And like I said, the shoes that I'm wearing, I'll put links to those down in the description box as well in case you're interested. The little booties I had on, and these mules. Both are from Walmart. So that's my stitch fix for September. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. I would appreciate it. Please give me feedback. Let me know what I should keep, send back. Is it a 5 for 5 or not? I'm thinking there's a good chance it's a 5 for 5. So hope y'all are having a great day. And until I see you next time, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.